How to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group. So if you want to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp and select the group. And once you selected the group, you need to go with the upper side which has that name. And once you tap on name, here you need to scroll down and tap on group permissions. And under group permissions here you will have an option of members can and admins can, right? So under members can, you need to go and edit the group settings, turn it on, and turn on the option of send messages. If you want to allow the members to send messages, then you need to turn this on. But if you don't want to allow those members to message, then what you need to do is just simply toggle all of these off, and that's it. Once you turn all of these off, then your members won't be able to edit anything or send messages to your groups. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.